Hello student, in my last video we have discussed about your trigonometric identity and we have done some application related to your trigonometric identity. Today in this video I'll be teaching you how to solve the problem based on elimination. That means you have to eliminate your theta. So let us see some problems I have taken from your exercise 8e question number 1. Eliminate theta for the equation x equal to a sec theta and y is equal to b tan theta. So that is the first number. You have to eliminate your theta. That means your aim is to get the expression which does not contain your theta. Let us come to the solution of this. Number one solution. X is given to be how much? A sec theta. Y is given to be b tan theta. As you know from your identity relation. What are your identity relation? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. If you can see here it is sec theta, here it is tan theta. But when you go to your identity relation, here is tan square and sec square. So what you do is that you make a whole thing square. You do square in both the sides. You will get x square is equal to a square sec square theta. Y square is equal to b square tan square theta. So what is the reason here? Squaring both sides. I have done squaring both the sides. Now, somehow I should be able to use this equation. Somehow I should be able to use this identity relation. So what I'll be doing is that whenever you go to your identity relation, here is only sec square theta and tan square theta. You don't have a square and b square. So next line, what I will be doing is that this a square I'll bring it down, x square by a square. How much? That is sec square theta, and y square by b square will be how much? It is tan square theta. Let me take this equation as 1 and the second equation as 2. As you can see from your identity relation, from here, if you can see the relation between tan square theta and sec square theta, you have two more relation from here. Let me write it down. It will be how much? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. That is one relation you will be getting from this identity relation. So out here, is it possible for me to get sec square theta minus tan square theta? Let us think how to get sec square theta minus tan square theta. So what you do? Equation 1 minus equation 2. You do what? Equation number 1 minus equation number 2. What does this imply? This implies x square by a square minus y square by b square. That means left hand side you subtract, you got this. Right hand side also you subtract, you will be getting sec square theta minus tan square theta. So how much is this? This is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. It is equal to 1 because what you know is that sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. You can just give the reason here. Since your sec square theta minus tan square theta, it is equal to 1. That is the reason. And if you can see this equation, it does not have any theta. So we finished to eliminate our theta. So this will be the required answer. I hope so. This is alright for you. That means we have done number 1 we have done. Let us go to 3 number 1. I have taken the types of the problem. Let us go to 3 number 1. 3 number 1. This problem is also based on theta only, but what they have asked you, if sec theta plus tan theta equal to n and sec theta minus tan theta equal to n, then prove that mn, when you multiply n into n, it must be equal to 1. So you start with your left hand side. Let's see, 3 number 1. 3 number 1 solution. You start with your LHS. When you start with your LHS, what is LHS given? mn. LHS is mn. Put down the value of m. What is your m? Your m is sec theta plus tan theta. So it is what? Sec theta plus tan theta. And what is the value of n? Sec theta minus tan theta. It is what? Sec theta minus tan theta. So I finished to substitute my n and n. Now let us do the calculation. This is what? A plus b into a minus b. So it will become a square. That means sec square theta minus tan square theta. And what is the value for sec square theta minus tan square theta? Kindly use your identity relation again. So sec square theta minus tan square theta is what? So it is equal to 1. That is equal to your right hand side, and this is proved. I hope so. You are alright with this. Number 3, number 1. Now let us move to the next number. That is 4. We'll go to question number 4. 4 is also very simple, and whenever you see your MBOSE question paper, one problem they usually ask from here. They usually ask from here. That means you have to eliminate your theta from this exercise. They usually ask one problem for your board exam. So let us go to question number 4. Question number 4 solution. 4 solution. Let's see what is given. Again, you start with your left hand side. Again, the problem is same. They ask you to eliminate theta only. So x is given to be this, y is given to be this. You have to prove this equation. So let us start with your analysis. What is your left hand side? You take x by a to the power 2 by 3 plus y by b to the power 2 by 3. So what is the value of x? Your x, as you can see here, it is a cos cube theta. It is what? A cos cube theta divided by a whole thing to the power 2 by 3. Plus what is your b? Your b is what? B sine cube theta. B sine cube theta. B sine cube theta divided by b to the power 2 by 3. Now let us do the simplification. A cancel, B cancel. This 3 and 3 I can cancel, this 3 and 3 I can cancel. So how much you got? Cos theta whole thing is square. So it will be cos square theta plus sin square theta. So that is equal to 1, which is equal to your right hand side, and this is proved. So I have shown you 3 types of problem. So from your exercise you can easily try, okay? You can easily try your exercise by using this type of problems. The basic concept you have already got, how to use the identity relation. I have teach you. So what you do is that you keep on practicing, and please one more thing, you have to remember your identity relation. If without remembering identity relation and other formulas of your trigonometry, this cannot be solved. That's why the formula you have to remember it. How to remember? You write down the formula again and again 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, 10 times. Then it is very easy for you to remember all those formulas. Okay, with this I will conclude my video here, and we'll meet in the next video. Okay then, thank you.